Here on Lake Tillery, it's about 8 a.m. We've been fishing for blue cats. Hopefully we'll catch one soon. Well, the water temperature right now is about 53 degrees. It's about 8 feet. Okay, well, we're using some nice little gizzard shad cut in about 3-inch sections by 1 inch. We're fishing on the bottom with 6-aught circle hooks, 8 foot of water. Water temperature is right around 53, 54 degrees. Sun's coming up. We're going on anchor line. Yeah. You doing? Oh yeah. Oh, he's a good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's a big one, Chris. That'll be 25, 30 or better. Yep. Gizzard shad. Oh, he's big. I don't think he's as big as that one you got, Chris. He's a big one, though. Big and fat. Oh, God, he's heavy. 1 pound. 31 and a half. Still pictures here. Yeah. He is 31 and a half pounds. Fighting blue cat from Lake Tillery. Got him at dawn. At the crack of dawn. Say hi, Fishy. Grunt, grunt, grunt. Alright, we're gonna let him go. Here he goes.